चेंजाचे कोटाचे भायर ताळप पडला मातसो आतां 4 जाणांनी घातले ऑलरेडी म्हजें इंटरवेंशन आसा आर्ग्युमेंट ऑलरेडी डन अगेन नाव वी हॅव टू गो विल बी वेटिंग 5 o'clock the orders but I would like to say what I have said in my this thing public advocate Hima Atha application for intervention. May it please your honor, the intervener respectfully submits her application for the intervention as under. The intervener is an advocate and also an activist who has taken up several issues of public concern. The intervener is a Catholic by religion and a permanent resident of Goa. Further I say, the intervener has filed a complaint dated on the 4th at Margaon Police Station, 4th October, against the applicant herein, that is Mr. Subhash Velinkar and others. Then it is the case of the intervener that the applicant, Mr. Subhash Velinkar, has by his comments intentionally hurt the religious sentiments of crores of devotees who pray and worship our St. Francis Xavier. Copy of the complaint filed by the intervener is annexed. Further, the applicant has filed the present application for anticipatory bail in respect of the FIR registered against him. The FIR registered against the applicant is in respect of the same incident which forms the subject matter of the complaint lodged by the intervener. Intervener believes that there is a larger conspiracy involved behind the comments made by the applicant, that is Subhash Velinkar, and the custodial interrogation of the application is required. The applicant is required to uncover such conspiracy. The custodial interrogation of the applicant would also be required to verify whether there are individuals involved in such conspiracy. In fact, a court-monitored investigation would be required in such a case as the offence can have a larger ramification leading to unrest and turmoil in the state of Goa. The intervener is a complainant and also a victim of an offence, as her own sentiments have been hurt by the derogatory and the offensive comments made by the applicant Subhash Velinkar. The intervener believes that the state may not effectively contest and or oppose the anticipatory bail, as the applicant is believed to have political affiliations, and as such the intervener desires to be personally heard in the matter. In the matter of Jagjit Singh or versus Ashish Mishra, Moni and Criminal Appeal 632 of 2022, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has held that the victim has a legally vested right to be heard at every step post the occurrence of an offence. The said decision of the apex court permits the victim to intervene and be heard at the stage of deciding the bail application. So prayer is therefore prayed that the intervener be permitted to intervene in the present anticipatory bail application and she can be heard in the present matter. So this is what I have done. आता 2 लाख घातला सगळ्यांनी घातला 1 2 3 4 5 जाले इंटरवेंशनां घातली पूण हांव मागता आतां 5 आमकां कळपाचें आसा ऑर्डर येवपाची आसा आनी हांव मागता हांवें सगळें सोडलां सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर आमचो गोंयच्या साहेबाच्या हातीन साहेबा भिरांत दिसता आय नो दिस इज द टेंपल ज्युडिशरी टेंपल ऑफ जस्टीस म्हणटा हेका पूण हांव मागता खंय तो जज आसा तो तेणे खंय तरी ताज्याय तकलेन सान फ्रांसिसान घालचें की हेका म्हणटा ती बेल रिजेक्ट जावन अरेस्ट जावपाकूच जाय म्हणून अरेस्ट जायना जावपाक ना आय मे बी टायर्ड बट आय एम नॉट गिवींग अप ऑन दीस बट आय एम प्रेइंग and I'm still fighting. First time in my lifetime, you can see I'm wearing slippers. चप्पल घालून म्हाका कोर्टान दिवपा पडला तुका पांयाक मार लागलो आसा हांव म्हाका देवान कितल्या हजारांनी लोक येयले द डिवोटीज आनी क्रोर्स ऑफ डिवोटीज ऑफ सांत फ्रांसीस झेवियराचे इतले जे डिवोटीज आसा ताका मानतात पळय लंडन USA कॅनडा ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉरेन कंट्रीज गोंयांत देशांत पळय जे येतात आनी तांकां खबर आसा तांणी मिलाग्री केल्ली आसा तांचे बरोबर प्लीज कीप अस इन प्रेयर्स that he should not be granted bail, then that the order should come at 5 as that he is arrested. That will be the real win of Goans and everybody across who believe in the St. Francis Xavier. देव बरें करूं.
तुमचे इंटरव्हेन्शन ऍप्लिकेशन अलाउड
ओके.
कितले 5 इंटरव्हेन्शन झाले
5 जाता.
तुमचे धरून 5
आता ऑलरेडी हय पंचिंग केलो. ऑलरेडी म्हाका 2 सांगलो. But already order itli. But still, as a supporting I had to, because no, I can't trust anybody today. कोणाचेरच ट्रस्ट ना. आणि तुम्ही पळयला आसतले कशे पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन्स आसा हे सुभाष वेलिंगकराक म्हूण चड भिरांत दिसता. कित्याक पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन आसा म्हणल्यार तुका समज पावर आसा आनी तुका पावरफूल सपोर्ट आसा जाल्यार कांय कितें एनीथींग कॅन बी चेंज्ड. बट आय एम ओनली किपींग माय फेथ ऑन सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. गोंयचो साहेब तूं खरेंच गोंयचो साहेब आसा आनी आमकां खबर आसा आनी तूं दाखोवन दितलो सत्य. वी हॅव फॉट honestly and for truth, and truth always prevails. So I feel at 5 o'clock the order which comes, after the order I'll be sitting behind. Once the order comes as arrest, that time I don't want anything. तेन्ना कोणाक पब्लिसिटी घेवपाक जाय, कोणाक येवन शो मारपाक जाय, कोणाक येवन उलोवपाक जाय तें उलोवन दी. My victory will be only once I get the order that Subhash Velinkar arrest issue arrest warrant हे केला म्हणून and that he'll be arrested म्हणून. इतलेच कोर्टान दिवपाक जाय आनी इतलेच हांव अपेक्षा करता. कित्याक ताणें खरेंच जावं हिंदू क्रिस्तांव आनी मुस्लिमाची सेंटिमेंट्स हर्ट केल्यान. इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट वन रिलीजन. हांव सांगता तुमकां हितून पॉलिटीक कांय ना. आतां तांचो आदोगाद उलयतालो तेन्ना फाटल्यान बायकाचेर बसून आयकतालें. सुभाष वेलिंगकराचो जो आदोगाद आसलो तो सांगता तेणें प्रे केला तो उलयला कितें उलयला तो बट बुलशीट ही स्पिकींग दॅट दीस इज अ पॉलिटिकल हायप घेवपाक हें केलां पॉलिटिकल स्टंट केला. अरे डू यू नो आमी केन्नाच खंयच्या देवाचेर उलयनात. इवन तुमी एक गोमटी दवरलो फातर दवरलो आनी ताका देव म्हणल्यार आमी देखून ताका नमन करता. वी कॅथलीक्स जावं मुस्लीम जावं हिंदू आमी नमन करता. डोंट गो ऑन दॅट. डोंट से इट इज अबाउट पॉलिटिकल हायप आनी हें करपाक म्हणून. सत्याक लागून हजारांनी लोक येयलो गोंयच्या साहेबाच्या मोगान आयलो. तितूंत चड हिंदूय आशिल्लो मुस्लीम आनी कॅथलिकूय आशिल्लो. दीस इज अबाउट ह्युमॅनिटी एंड यू ऑल हॅव ट्राय टू डायवर्ट द अटेंशन फ्रॉम द बर्निंग इश्यूज like Bhutani, Loda, DLA, prostitution, casinos, drugs in Goa, what is going on, and the ministers, what they are involved in, and the TCP, which is fully corrupt. हे डायवर्ट करपा लागून हे सगळे केल्ले एका मुखार हाडिल्लो पेज एजंटाक सुभाष वेलिंगकराक. कित्याक पेज एजंटाक हाडिल्लो की डिवायड करतले, फूट घालतले, डिसामनी करतले म्हणून. गोंयचे साहेब आसा आनी ट्रूथ शॅल प्रिवेल. लेट्स वेट फॉर द ऑर्डर. थँक्यू.